Hey, what's up everybody? It's Levi Ellis here. Thanks again for watching and welcome to my new subscribers. If you're new to my channel, I'm trying to bring you cryptocurrency news in an entertainment kind of way, so it's easy for you to digest. So, yes, it's been a long time again. So what I've been doing lately, well, to be honest, doing stuff like this. Enjoying my free time, enjoying life. Look at this view. Isn't this amazing? Isn't this amazing? Just to be in silence, in nature, doing nothing. How can you be worried if you're in a how do you say it, place like this, knowing that the cryptocurrency market is going down? It doesn't matter in that sense, you know. It's all relative. But yeah, I thought I needed to post this video because it's actually the first time that one of my predictions didn't came out, to be honest. And of course, it's all speculation, and you know what I always say, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a hobby investor. Do your own research and make your own decisions. I'm just a speculator, don't forget that. But what I wanted to get back to was the last video, because in the last video I said when I was in Rome, I indicated that that week onwards I was expecting the market to really hit a moonshot, you know, because I was how do you say it, taking figures of the past and took that as a reference. But we all know that we cannot how do you say it, make judgments on previous how do you say it, previous or oh shit, I need to cut this out, to be honest. But results of the past doesn't guarantee anything for the future. That's the thing. So that's the thing. You see, all that relaxing and all that causes me that my brains doesn't function anymore to think. I'm just being here. So no. Previous trends has been broken whenever it comes to consensus, right? Last year we had very, let's say, heavy moonshot during consensus, the year before that as well, etc, etc. And this year, no. So where do we go from here? Then I think it's wise, or at least wise, that we listen also to the views of other people, and maybe especially when it comes to technical analysis, because to be honest, still from a fundamental perspective, we are in a good shape. If you look at the ecosystem, I still believe that. So long term, I'm still very bullish, of course, whenever it comes to Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies. But on the short term, I really don't know what's happening, because there's a lot of manipulation going on. Weak hands that are most probably going to be shaken off right now. But there's also a lot of institutional interest at this point of time, yeah? So approximately 20% of the institutions wants to get in. Winklevoss brothers are close to an ETF again. Let's hope this time they will do good. And the only thing that shot up a couple of days ago was Zcash, because they were added as a pair on the Gemini exchange, the Winklevoss brothers. But other than that, yeah, it's the first time my prediction was not okay. But it's still a high ratio of predictions that went okay anyway. So yeah, what can I say? If you have liquidity, of course, you need to make your own decision. If you have liquidity, it's still a good moment if you ask me. If you look at the high where we came from. And still, my view on this is, if last year we had a 34x gain of the market, and this year we have a 50% or more decline of the market from its all-time high, and in my opinion we are moving in how do you say it, in the phases of the innovation adoption curve, where we initially were in an innovator stage and we are now moving up to the early adopter stage. And from that stage, from the early adopter stage to the early majority stage, then there is still a lot of upside to expect. The first innovator stage is 2.5%, then the second stage is 13.5%, then the early majority stage is 34%. So if you pure look at that rationally speaking, then things will be fine, but the question is in what time period. Yeah, that of course is unknown. So again, relax. I'm doing that as well, as you can see, and everything will just be fine. Just be patient. We are investing, right? We are not trying to get rich quick, but I know some guys of you think you can, but that's just an illusion. So that's it for today. Thanks again for watching. Peace out.